Practice on vector product. Question number 1. If a unit vector vector A makes angles pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with j cap, and an acute angle theta with k cap, then find theta and hence the component of vector A. We know that the angle made by a vector with I cap, that is positive x-axis, is alpha. So alpha is pi by 3 and this is beta. Beta is pi by 4 and gamma is theta. Alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a vector with the positive x-axis, positive y-axis and positive z-axis respectively. This implies that L is equal to cos alpha is equal to cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to cos beta is equal to cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, and n is equal to cos gamma. So we have this is equal to cos theta. Therefore here we have to find theta, so we will apply the relation among L square, M square and N square. Therefore L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1 implies that 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus you can write cos square theta is equal to 1. So we have this one 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is, we can write 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta. This implies that if we take LCM, then we have 1 plus 2 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This implies that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. From here we have cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. So we take positive sign 1 by 2. This implies that theta is equal to pi by 3. Positive sign is taken as the angle is acute. Now we have to find the components of vector A. Here vector A is unit vector. Vector A is a unit vector. This implies that vector A is equal to Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. Because if you take the modulus of and the magnitude of this one, we get we know that the magnitude of this one will be a square root of L square plus M square plus N square, which is equal to a square root of 1, that is 1. So we can write Li cap plus Mj cap and Nk cap. So we can say that components of vector A are L, which is equal to, we have found that this is cos pi by 3, which is 1 by 2, M, which is cos pi by 4, which is 1 by 2, and cos pi by 3, which is 1 by 2. So that vector A minus vector B cross vector A plus vector B is equal to 2 into vector A cross vector B. Solution. Here we apply distributive property. So vector A cross vector A plus vector B minus vector B cross vector A plus vector B. Here we apply vector A cross vector A. We know that this is A sine 0 degree because the angle between vector A and vector A is 0 degree. So A cross A becomes 0 plus A cross B minus B cross A minus B cross B. A cross A is, we have to take sine theta, and theta is angle between vector and vector A. So the angle between same line is 0 degree. That's why vector A cross vector A is 0. This is vector A cross vector B, and we know that vector B cross vector A is minus vector A cross vector B. Here minus B cross B is 0. So we have vector A cross vector B plus minus into minus plus vector A cross vector B. Now after addition we have vector A cross vector B. This is our RHS. Find lambda and mu if 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross I cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap is equal to 0 vector. Here we know that if such a cross product is to be found, then we use determinant and we write in first row I cap, j cap, k cap, in second row 2, 6, 27, and in third row 1 lambda mu. So let us proceed. So we have this one. Now we can write it as we know 6 mu minus 27 lambda I cap. Here we expand along first row, so I cap, so first row and first column are hidden. Now next we write minus j cap, and here we can write, then first row and second column are hidden, then we have 2 mu minus 27. Next we write k cap, and here first row and third column are hidden, then we have 2 lambda minus 6. Here 0 vector and 0 vector can be written as 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. Now we write corresponding components. So we have here I cap corresponding cap 0 and 6 mu minus 27 lambda. Therefore 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0. Here we have minus 2 mu minus 27. Here we have corresponding component 0 and 2 lambda minus 6. Its corresponding component is 0 here. So we have mu is equal to 27 lambda by 6, and lambda is, from second we have 2 lambda is equal to 6, so lambda is equal to 6. This implies that lambda is equal to 6 by 2, so 3. So we can write here 27 by 6 into 3, so 27 by 2 is 13.5. Hence lambda is 3 and mu is 13.5. Given that vector A dot vector B is equal to 0 and vector A cross vector B is equal to 0 vector, what can you conclude about the vectors vector A and vector B? Vector A dot vector B is equal to 0. This implies that A B cos theta is equal to 0. This implies that A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 0. This implies that A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi by 2. Vector A cross vector B is equal to 0 vector. This implies that AB sin theta in cap is equal to vector 0. So we can write it as 0 into n cap. Then we have a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, or sin theta is equal to 0. This implies that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 0. Here end is given, so we take the common value in both results. One result is here, another result is here, and we see that the common result is a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. You know that a is the magnitude of vector a, so we can write therefore magnitude of vector a is equal to 0 or magnitude of vector b is equal to 0 if either vector a is equal to 0 vector or vector b is equal to 0 vector, then vector a cross vector b is equal to 0 vector. Is the converse true? Justify your answer with an example. The converse is not true, because if we take vector a is equal to I cap and vector b is also equal to I cap, then we have a cross b is equal to 0 vector, because I cross I is vector a cross I cross I is 0, but vector a is not equal to 0 vector and vector b is also not equal to 0 vector. Find the area of the triangle with vertices a 1 1 2, b 2 3 5 and c 1 5 5. Let us write vector OA, where O is the origin. I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap where O is the origin. Vector OB is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap, and vector OC is equal to, these are position vectors of points A, B and C, I cap plus 5j cap plus 5k cap. Therefore vector AB is vector OB minus vector OA. We know the vector joining two points. This will be 2 minus 1 I cap, 3 minus 1 2j cap, 5 minus 2 3k cap, and vector BC, this is equal to vector OC minus vector OB. So we have 1 minus 2 minus I cap, 5 minus 3 2j cap, 5 minus 5 0k cap. We know that if in a triangle this is vector AB, this is vector BC, then we have area of triangle is equal to ABC is equal to half into magnitude of AB cross BC. So let us find magnitude of AB cross BC. Firstly we find AB cross BC by determinant method. So I cap, j cap, k cap. Here AB is a scalar component of AB is 1 2 3 and that of vector BC is minus 1 2 0. Now we have I cap, 2 into 0 0, 0 minus 6, so minus 6 I cap, minus j cap, so we have 1 into 0 0, minus 3, so we have plus 3, so 3 j cap, and then we k cap is equal to here we write k cap, here we have plus sign, so 2 minus minus 2, so we have plus 4k cap. Therefore half into magnitude of vector AB cross BC is equal to half into a square root of minus 6 is 36, 9 plus 16, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 16 61, so we have a square root of 61 by 2.